Imagine stepping outside tonight, looking up, and realizing something's wrong. No glow, no shadow, no silver disk floating above. The moon is just gone. Not behind clouds. Not a lunar eclipse. Just poof, vanished like a bad magic trick. Sounds spooky, right? Well, hold on tight, because without the moon, Earth would start falling apart in ways you probably never imagined. So let's say, for some mysterious reason, aliens, magic, or a cosmic glitch, the moon suddenly disappears tonight. No explosion, no debris, just gone. What happens next? At first, nothing seems too different. The air doesn't explode, the oceans don't boil, and your phone still has bad Wi-Fi. But within hours, tiny changes begin to ripple across the planet, and they're about to get way worse. The first thing you'd notice is darkness. The moon reflects sunlight, lighting up our nights with a gentle glow. Without it, the night sky becomes pitch black. Cities stay lit, sure, but rural areas? Total darkness. Animals that rely on moonlight, like owls, bats, and sea turtles, would be completely thrown off. Sea turtles, for example, use the moon to find the ocean after hatching. Without that cue, millions would crawl the wrong way, straight toward land. And for humans? We'd suddenly realize how eerie nighttime really is. Camping trips would feel like stepping into a horror movie. Next up, the tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. Without the moon, 70% of our tides disappear almost instantly. Sure, the sun also tugs on our oceans, but it's much weaker. The result? Smaller, slower tides that barely move. That means entire coastal ecosystems collapse. Many marine species, from crabs to coral, depend on tides for food, shelter, and breeding. Without that rhythm, coastal life starts dying off fast. And humans feel it too. Less tidal flow means stagnant coastlines, dying fisheries, and rotting shorelines. Fishermen and coastal cities? In serious trouble. Now here's where it gets scary. The moon doesn't just control tides, it keeps Earth's tilt steady. Right now, we're tilted at about 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us seasons. Without the moon's gravitational anchor, Earth's axis starts wobbling wildly over time. Imagine summer suddenly turning into winter, in the same month. Or snow falling in places that were once tropical. Over thousands of years, climates could flip completely. It wouldn't happen overnight, but over generations, our planet would become unpredictable chaos. The moon has been Earth's natural metronome for billions of years. Many animals, and even humans, have biological rhythms synced to its 29-day cycle. Without it, sleep patterns, reproduction cycles, and migration routes go haywire. Even humans might feel the change. Studies suggest moonlight subtly affects our sleep and moods. So if you've ever blamed a weird full moon for your bad night's rest, you might actually be right. Take that away, and our internal clocks start to drift, tiny changes that add up over time. And let's not forget, without the moon, Earth becomes an easier target. The moon acts like a cosmic shield, occasionally taking hits from asteroids that might otherwise head our way. Without it, the number of space rocks entering Earth's atmosphere could rise significantly. So if you ever thought meteor showers were beautiful, get ready for meteor thunderstorms. Here's the twist: Earth might survive, but we wouldn't recognize it anymore. Dark nights, unstable seasons, dying coasts, and confused wildlife, it would feel like a completely different planet. Over centuries, humans might adapt, building artificial tides, stabilizing climate with tech, maybe even creating an artificial moon. But nature? Nature doesn't reboot that easily. So yeah, if the moon vanished tonight, life wouldn't end immediately, but it would start unraveling faster than we could possibly handle. It turns out, the moon isn't just decoration, it's Earth's silent partner. It shapes our oceans, our nights, our seasons, and even our sleep. It's easy to forget that, since it's just, always there. But if it ever disappeared? We'd learn real quick just how much our little world depends on that glowing rock in the sky. So, what do you think would happen first if the moon disappeared? Would humans find a way to replace it, or would Earth spiral into chaos? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed the trip, and subscribe for more mind-bending what-ifs every week. And remember, next time you look at the moon, maybe say thanks.